Hi all, my name is Soraya Herbert and I am a digital media enthusiast for Dahlia Plus Agency, and today I'm going to talk to you guys about my favorite top 5 updates as it relates to Instagram. Now overall, Instagram has had a major platform redo in the year of 2018, but I want to talk to you guys about these 5 ones in particular and how they can be beneficial for your events. So enough of me blabbering and let's get into these 5 updates. Okay, so the first one I want to talk about is the Explore page. So Instagram's Explore page has had a complete refresh. It actually makes a lot more sense now. So if you click that little search button at the bottom, this is the new Explore page. They have it categorized by all different types of categories. So for you, beauty, travel, DIY, and what's awesome is that in each of these categories, it buckets the top performing Instagram posts for those. And when you click inside of each category, it gives you the top performing hashtags for those categories. So if you work in travel, if you guys are having an event in a specific place, if you guys are doing different types of activities at your events, these are a great way for you guys to be put in the discovery page of Instagram by utilizing these buckets. I think that this is an amazing feature that Instagram has updated because it makes the Explore page make more sense and is more effective, and a lot of people are going to get a lot of use out of it. I know I personally do. I'm able to see content that is curated especially for me or what it is that I'm looking for. Alrighty, so let's get into the next update, which is following hashtags. Now, I'm not sure if you knew this, but marketers have been able to track and follow hashtags for years. And it's awesome that Instagram was one of the first platforms to open that up to the general public. So how you do that is clicking the little search at the bottom and then typing in a hashtag. I'm gonna type in Connect MP because that's one of the shows I'm going to. From that, I'm gonna be able to see all of the public posts, videos, anything that was related to that hashtag besides the stories, and I can scroll through them and I can actually follow it if I wanted to. So here I'm just scrolling through. I can see all of the photos and videos of any public profile that utilized this hashtag. I can also just click on it at the top, and now I'm following. I can click on the recent, and this will show me anything that's recently utilized with that hashtag. If I click the top little 3 buttons at the top, I can share this with my colleagues or anybody that I'd like to. So I can type in another one. I'm going to type in event profs because it's a very popular hashtag that we use in this industry. And once I do that, it's going to open up all of the top performing hashtags that have event profs with it. With that being said, I can follow it there. And what's great is it's going to pull up other similar or related hashtags to event profs. So if you don't want to use that one, or you want to find more and discover more that'd be relevant to you, this is a great way to do that. So here's showing all of the posts that are publicly used with the hashtag event profs, and I can just scroll through and see anybody that's there and so on and so forth. Alrighty, and the third update that we have is usage insights. Now this is one of my favorites because I can actually check the engagement rates on my photos and on my posts to see how they are engaging, to make sure that I'm having a high engagement rate and putting out content that my audience enjoys. So you can go ahead and click on your profile and click any photo. I'm going to click just the first one, and I can press on View Insights. When I click on that, it's going to open up all the analytics for this post and how it performed. So right here, it shows you like how people liked it, the engagement, the reach, if anyone bookmarked it, and if I click in the middle, it'll open up even more insights and engagement rates. So if you don't understand any of these analytics, down at the bottom, it actually has a little button where it gives you a dictionary pretty much of all of the terms, so that way you can understand how to utilize your usage insights. Last but surely not least, we have Instagram TV, or IGTV for short. So the point of IGTV is that Instagram users can now make longer videos, which can potentially be more engaging for content followers. So to find your IGTV, you'll click up at the top near your DM button, and here it'll launch the new platform built inside of Instagram. And here you can see all the people who have been utilizing it now, people you may follow, other content creators, and you can actually create your own IGTV stories within here. And just remember that all of your video is going to be in vertical and that they can last up to 60 minutes, which is awesome. But if you're going to use a DSLR or things like that, there's different cropping and ways that you can make it fit perfectly. But for starters, I say go ahead and use your phone. It's a great tool right there. So those are all of my 5 top Instagram updates I have for you guys. Thank you.